Unboxing of this washing machine, automatic. Look at it. This is 1.6 cubic feet, I believe. Let's see, here it is. Giant text. Soak, wash, rinse, spin, process, water level, high, medium, low, start, pause, power, remaining minutes. Got some plastic on top here. Got a little, looks like some type of filter maybe. Ooh, look at this, yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. There's the looks like a drain hose. Yeah, boy. And there's the filter, possibly. Not sure. We'll find out after we read the manual. Yeah. That's the water hose, the water connections, and that's the drain hose. So. Alright, top lid, top frame, lint filter, control panel, inner tub, the pulsator, body, base, adjustable foot, woohoo, feed valve, ooh, handle, power cord, back cover, fixing foot, 3 pieces, drain pipe, ho ho ho, yeah. Bottom cover, the end connecting to the appliance, the end connected to the water inlet hose connector, tapping screw, hoo hoo hoo, yeah boy, yeah, fully automatic washing machine, oh yeah. Let's read this. In order to anti-rat, I guess anti-rattle, and avoid unexpected something happen, please install the bottom cover. It is useful to decrease the noise when the bottom cover is installed. Alright, that's the bottom cover. Let's install it. Okay, bottom cover is screwed on. Yeehaw. And it faces that way, which is the front. Yeah. That's the feet. This one, for some reason, the whole thing twists. But adjust all of them. Alright, time to hook it up. The light level is a little low down here, but oh well. So we got the cold line going in, and then we got it powered up, and we have the drain line. The drain line's going in from the side here. You can't see it. The light level's low. But up here we have water level medium and wash, rinse, spin. I just turned it on, power. And then now I'm going to add detergent and laundry and see how it works. Have it propped up here. I might have to wrap it around so it doesn't fall off. Okay, I had to use the proper hose inlet and outlet, or inlet, because the other one, this one, I couldn't get it on quite properly, and what happened when I turned it on, the water went straight up. So I had to get that tight and make sure it's not leaking. And we are good to go now. I put detergent in here already, and I'm going to start it up and let that dissolve, let the detergent dissolve, and then we'll put a small load in there, and let's just start. Here we go. Alright, I can probably lift it. Oh, I can lift it as a... Oh, I don't got no light. So there's water. It'll be a little flashlight. Got this sitting on top of here, and that works pretty good. There's like car parts down there, and look at the ground is disgusting. But this is the basement. But anyway, it's on right now. You can actually open this up. I got my little trusty light here. And I looked at the electric meter outside, and you can see it, the dial move. It's like a pulsating. So it's pretty cool. And that's just, you see the tub, the differentiation between the tub and the perimeter of the washer. So look at that. Close that. It'll do wash, rinse, and spin. And it says 33 minutes remaining. So good times. I love it. Just had the only problem was the little bubble of water up here was I tried to put an old connection up on here, and then I got this. It only takes cold water, so I got the hot off and the cold on. So I only use cold water anyway. Respect. All right, there it is. Unboxing the Giantex washer. Have a great day. And it says it can wash. This is a reference weight of the laundries you can do. It kind of reminds me of the dishwasher I have a video on, that it's not quite a complete washer, but it'll do its job. So it has different cycles here to where you can just do wash, rinse, spin. That's what I'm doing now. Or you can do, for dirty laundry, soak, wash, rinse, spin the entire cycle. Or just wash, or wash, rinse, or rinse, spin, or spin. And I got this specifically for the spin, actually. I mean, for the wash and rinse, but the spin cycle wasn't working on this old wash machine.